Good morning again, everyone. So we are here with another episode of मस्ती की पाठशाला for all of you. तो आज हम कुछ नया करने वाले हैं और इस नए में मेरे पास काफी डिमांड आया है बहुत लोगों का अलग अलग जगह से कि we should take up English conversation to a next level. So I totally understand that people out there, those who are at their houses right now, they're looking forward to more English speaking. तो आज मैं आपको एक बहुत अच्छी वेबसाइट दिखाने वाली हूँ जो आपके इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग को एक नेक्स्ट लेवल पे लेके जाएगा। और आज हमारे साथ हमारा एक गेस्ट भी है जो हमको हेल्प करेगा ये वेबसाइट देखने में। So let's move forward. I'll just share with you the name of the website so that you can do it yourself. The name of the website is basicenglishspeaking.com. So with this website, you can go listen to different audios, practice it, learn some grammar tips, read lot of things there. एंड एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो जरूरी है हमको ये समझने के लिए कि हमारा इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशन नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जब जाएगा जब हम ज्यादा इंग्लिश सुनेंगे। मैंने देखा है लोग इंग्लिश मूवीज भी देखते हैं तो सबटाइटल लगा के देखते हैं, बट दैट विल नॉट वर्क। सो स्टॉप यूजिंग सबटाइटल, लिसन। द मोर यू लिसन द मोर फ्लुएंट यू विल बी। Okay, so can we invite our guest, Mr. Tutu, all the way from Australia? Good morning, Tutu. How are you?
Good morning.
Are you ready for the new English website?
Yes.
Okay, so I just want you to be participating with us and understand how this website looks like and what all is there for our students. So this is the front page of the website. Okay, it is basic English speaking website, and you have 3,000 common words here on the top of it. So let's go inside and see what this says. So they say learn how to improve your English vocabulary, listening and speaking at the same time using 3,000 most commonly used words in English. So you go down and you will see the very important fact of life which says अगर आप English सुन रहे हो तो speaking आपकी output है. So listening is input, speaking is output. Similarly, when you want to come to write written language, reading is your input and writing is your output. So अच्छा लिखने के लिए आपको अच्छा पढ़ना पड़ेगा और अच्छा बोलने के लिए आपको अच्छा सुनना पड़ेगा. So do you agree this to?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll take you to another place in the same website where you have a lot of listening. So you can listen to the video yourself. And it is free website. You can you have 75 different conversations. आपके पास different topics है. If you see, can you read the topics from number 1 to number 10 to 2?
Yes.
Number 1 is,
Family,
number 2,
restaurant,
number 3,
books,
number 4,
travel,
5,
website,
6,
accident,
7,
childhood memory,
8,
favorite rooms,
9,
presents,
10.
historical place.
Okay, now when you click on any of these, like this, you have 75. Okay, so you can
Yes.
click any of these and you can listen to the audio. So what I request my students, कि इसको आप सुनिए, इसके आंसर्स आपके आंसर से मैच 100% नहीं करेंगे. सो अपने आंसर्स लिख के वो फिर से आंसर बोलिए. सो द मोर यू लिसन द मोर यू विल बी फ्लुएंट. तो टुट्टू आप अपना कोई फेवरेट टॉपिक चुनो, हम वहां पे सुनने चलेंगे उसको. तो आपका फेवरेट टॉपिक क्या है? फैमिली, रेस्टोरेंट, बुक्स, ट्रैवल, वेबसाइट, चाइल्डहुड मेमोरी, व्हाट?
Let's see. Restaurant.
Okay, let's click the
I'm going
restaurant.
to eat my cheese now.
Okay, so this is the restaurant page, and here you have the play button. So the moment you play, you'll start listening. So let us listen what they have to say.
often do you eat out? Who do you go with?
I often eat out on weekends when I hang out with my friends.
What restaurant do you usually visit?
Well, there are not many restaurants in my neighborhood, so my best choice is the deli and convenience stores like the Circle K, Mini Stop, Be Smart.
What type of food do you enjoy to eat? Western or Asian?
I'm interested in Asian food. Western food is not my thing.
How much do you usually pay when you eat out?
It's not very expensive, just around $5 for each meal.
Do you enjoy spicy food?
Yes, I do, especially on cold days.
Are the servers there friendly to you?
Yes, they are. Most of them are really helpful.
Have you ever tried Italian food?
Yes, at least once, when I was in my friend's wedding party.
Are you concerned about calories when eating out?
Yes, I am. I'm on diet now, so this really matters to me.
Are fast food restaurants like KFC or McDonald's famous in your country?
Yes, they are. The youth in my country are big fans of fast food.
Do you often drink alcohol when eating out?
No, not often. Just when I have parties with my friends.
Okay, so this is one example of all the conversations you can learn while doing. So you pick up the English conversation of your choice and then do the talking. So my favorite topic is childhood memory. So I am taking that, and then you have the writing of it. So I can ask these questions from you, Tittu. Are you ready to answer?
Yes.
Uh, did you have a happy childhood?
Yes.
Okay. Did you experience your childhood in a city or a countryside?
In a countryside.
Okay. Did you usually skip classes when you were a child?
Sometimes.
Okay. Who were you with when you were a child?
I was with my mom and my dad and my two sisters.
Okay. What did you want to be when you were a child?
Mm, I wanted to be a cricketer.
Wow. Who did you love the most when you were a child?
I loved myself.
Okay. Who was your childhood hero?
Sachin.
Okay, that's why you love cricket.
Yes.
Did you change a lot when you grew up?
No.
Why is childhood important?
Childhood is important for. Mm,
Childhood is important for
I don't
shaping
know.
your. Okay, that's what I'm telling you. Childhood is important for shaping your future.
Okay.
Okay. So in this website, you will see 75 different topics in which you can go inside and you can check. Like if I love art, I will go in the art topic and I'll see. So if I press this window, the question and answer will come. And if I want to read my question and answers, I can do it from here as well. What's your favorite work of art? There is a special photograph named Nepalem Girl. So this is, you can read it as well. And now try to frame answers which is real to you. Like right now, you give me your answers, right?
Okay.
So that is what all of us have to do it if we want to improve our English. So in this site, you have 3,000 words which you can learn. You have 75 English conversations by topic. You should know or you could know 100 common sentence patterns in this site. You can go and learn 50 common English expressions. Expressions are the everyday English phrases which help you in communicate flexibly. Then you have English idioms. You know what are idioms to do?
Yes.
Okay, so there are Idiom. You see, can you read the idiom for me? Idiom about money and finance.
Okay. A penny saved is a penny earned.
This means advice. This is advice saying that it is good to save money. When money is saved, it is as good as money that is earned. And you have an example. So if I play it, you can listen to it.
A penny saved is a penny earned. She runs her own business and does all the work herself because she believes that a penny saved is a penny earned. When I travel, I prefer to stay at a hostel instead of an expensive hotel because I think that a penny saved is a penny earned. John doesn't make a lot of money, so he's very cautious in using his money. He supposes that a penny saved is a penny earned. Beyond one's means. The trip was just beyond our means. The living expenses in big cities are beyond my means, so I'd rather live in the suburbs. Can I see a cheaper one, please? This expensive fridge is just beyond my means.
Beyond my means मेरे काबू में नहीं है. I cannot afford it. So Tutu, you have a lot of different idioms given here. So what do you think? How is the website?
It's superb.
It is superb. Okay, that's nice. So you are using the word which we learned the other day. Superb is very good, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. So this is a second episode for us where we are talking about English conversation. Tutu is very excited with his new website. So I am requesting each one of you, those who are looking forward to improve their English, you must go to this site and start practicing. So Tutu, how much time you think one should give every day for English speaking?
At least half an hour to 1 hour.
Okay. So a half an hour will be sufficient.
Yes.
I know, Tutu, that you are learning French now from Param. Is that true?
Yes.
French is a new language and you are learning a new language. You told me you know English, you know Hindi, but now you are learning French, you told me.
Yes.
And how much and how much time you are giving it every day to do?
30 to 40 minutes.
And do you think that is sufficient? How is your score? It is going good? Oh ho, Tutu is out. So, as Tutu said, that we need to give 30 to 40 minutes every day. So, dear students, okay, Tutu is back. Tutu, are you there?
Sorry,
Oh,
network got disconnected.
okay, I got it. So, Tutu, I just want you to share with audience, those who are watching us right now, that if they want to have improve their English, what do you think? How much time they should give every day? And this is a superb website, as you said. If they will go to next level, if they practice every day for 30 minutes, this is what you suggest?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you say bye to all of us in French so that we see how much French you know?
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Okay. If I want to say hello, what will you say?
Salut.
Salut. Bonjour, madame. I can say bonjour, madame. I can't say madame to you, but you can say madame to me, right?
Yes.
Okay. Como ça va?
Ça va bien. Et toi?
Ça va bien, merci. So we greeted each other. He said, how are you? I said, I'm fine. And he asked me how I am. So I said, I am fine too. तो ओके टुटू आपकी फ्रेंच काम कर रही है सो एक बार हम आपको बुलाएंगे फ्रेंच क्लास में और हम आपसे फ्रेंच में बात करेंगे बाय द वे मैं भी फ्रेंच सीख रही हूँ अभी 30 days I also practice every day from I have been doing it from last 20 days now So that is why I could say all this to you.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So we will come again and talk in French next time. Till the time, let's kids enjoy the English speaking website we have discussed. Thank you all. Be there with us for the next class. And thank you, Tutu, for coming.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.